If you're looking to download a YouTube thumbnail for any video, then this video is the right video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube thumbnail. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. There are so many ways in which you can download a YouTube thumbnail. One of the easiest way I have found is by using this website, which is youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com. You can also go to Google and search for download YouTube video thumbnail, and then you're going to see tons of different websites that allows you to do the same thing. So we're going to go to YouTube thumbnail grabber. In this section, it says enter the YouTube URL here. This can be the URL of the video that you want to download its thumbnail, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need to do is go to YouTube and search for the video you want to download its thumbnail. Click on the video and you're going to find the URL in this section. You can also do the same by simply clicking on share on mobile device and copy the URL. So once you have the link copy, you can then go to this website again, and in this section paste the URL and then click on get thumbnail image. And just below this, you're going to see different sizes of the image that you can download. Once you found any version you like to download, click on download, and then you'll be able to save it directly to your computer or your mobile device. To view your recently downloaded image, simply just click and open the file that you've downloaded. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turn on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.